Hello friends, welcome back to my studio. Hope you're well. I'm filming this on the 19th of December, so we're just under a week away from Christmas and winding up the year. And that makes it a time of year where we're making New Year's resolutions or intentions for the following year. And I thought I'd show you a little exercise today that might help you realize your art dreams, or at least give you a direction, or at the very least show you that you're not stuck. This will be a guide to show you where you can take your next steps. It will work better if you're doing it as I'm talking about it. So if you'd like to get yourself a pen and a piece of paper, nothing fancy, it's just jotting down ideas. So I'll wait for you to go and get that. No, just pause the video. Okay, you've got your pen and paper sorted. What I want you to do in the middle of the paper is put yourself. So there's you. And obviously I'll do this related to me, but you will say this is me, which is you. And now all around on the paper, I want you to write anything that you're dreaming of, wildest dreams, smallest dreams, anything. And you can do this not just with your art practice, but in anything in life. So say, for example, you want to exhibit in a gallery. For me, I'm starting to get interested in getting back into encaustics, painting, and oils. Have another solo show. So they can be as simple as working with, say, more green on your palette. You might even put a figure on what you want to make next year from your art. You want to go big. You might put a number on the amount of works you'd like to do. So you're just continuing brainstorming and writing down all of your dreams for your art practice. Perhaps you want to do a course. I certainly want to do more Skillshare classes, and I'd like to create an online drawing workshop from my workshop that I did this year, for beginner drawers. There might be a particular gallery that you want to work with. So say small local galleries. Art fair, you know, big and small. Anyway, I think you get the idea. Lots of your dreams are now on the page. And now what I'd like you to do is go around and have a look at these things and see what can be done straight away. The next time you're in your studio, sitting in your art space, what can you put in place straight away? So something for me here would be more green on the palette, encaustics, oils, and perhaps making a Skillshare class. So now you can see, you know, these, and perhaps going big could be something I could do straight away. So with what's in these circles now, that's giving you an indication where you might have felt going big, say, is something that you really, really want to do, but you just can't, it just doesn't feel like it's there for you. This is a little demonstration to show you can actually do that straight away. You can go big right now, or whatever you have circled on this. Out of all your dreams, and it doesn't mean these bigger dreams can't happen and won't happen. but it can just help show you that these things that are circled are actually things you can act on right now and things you can achieve, and they will all work towards getting you to these bigger, longer term goals. How did that go for you? Was there some realizations there about how quickly you can move forward into your dreams and what you're wanting to do in your practice? I truly hope so. A couple of things I didn't put on there, of course, is finishing my affirmation cards or oracle cards that I've been working on. I hope to have those as a full deck before I have my studio open in next March. And yes, that's something actually that's coming up. If you're local, do pop in and say hello. It's the Labor Day weekend in March next year and the following weekend. I'll post more about that as it's coming up on Instagram. So if you're not already following me, you can get updates there. So it's really just a short one this week, hoping that again, my intention is to inspire you and encourage you. And I hope that helps. It'll make, if you've just watched this and haven't done the exercise, it will make much more sense when you actually do the exercise. So do go and do that and empower yourself. If you do celebrate Christmas, I hope you get lots of art supplies from Father Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful time in the rest of the year. I will be having a couple of weeks break now, and I'll see you towards the end of January. So happy holidays to all. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye.